Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teemu Paloranta and I'm a boat builder and soon also officially boat builder. I was sick for quite some time during the holiday season and it was I couldn't come here to work. Process is slow during winter, but I am determined to get a good start for the year. So all the painting and oiling, it would require so much heating the space that I need to invest in a heating system, which is unnecessary then during the summertime. So now I'm only going to do demolition parts. I just can't take it too much apart because then the structural integrity will suffer. I took some pieces apart, so since I've been continuing this demo here, and it's very good that I did. So as it is to take pretty parts apart, like the cover, the panel was nice and shiny and looking good, as these still are. But here was the unfortunate truth of the wood underneath. So it's rotten throughout. That wall behind me, I'm gonna open it up finally. I have got it all already almost through. Then I always get preoccupied with something else, so I never finish the job. So now I'm gonna finally take the wall down, so there's access both sides of the engine to the back. And here we can finally go through here, the kitchen. So now gives a better idea. Let's see. So here's the lower part. I can either use it for to do a step on it, or maybe build an additional fuel tank or a water tank right around there. Here will be all the places for tools, and then the engine, massive 9.6 liter old Volvo Penta is raised. The new floor line, deck line or ceiling here will be around this level, so that makes all the difference. And also this wall will be 30 centimeters more here, so the volume inside is much bigger. And I was doing some measurements underneath the floorboards, so there I can install some additional water tanks. So my goal is to get at least 400 liters freshwater tanks, hopefully 800 liters once I get the whole floorboard. But now when this is all getting exposed, when the weather is better, I'm gonna start putting tar on, paint them, and then when the galley is removed, lift it up, and a new deck laid, so I can see the final volume here, and I can start building the walls and the new floor. But there's still, I can start with the floor already, but the walls I have to wait until the new deck is raised. And I think I'm gonna get this in the school, and I'm gonna give it for someone to refurbish. I'm still super excited. It's around -20 right now, so it's a bit cold, but I have lots of clothes, so it should be fine, and I have a heater blowing all the time. Yeah, but there. Now I'm gonna take the floor out of the galley, kitchen, living room, whatever you want to call this, salon, and then take the fridge and stove out as well, so I can expose the main part of the boat, the hull, so I can really see what he has eaten, and also clean it up, take the necessary measurements. I'm going to take the floor out, the stove, fridge, and this whole middle unit, and then when the floor is out, I can see what's really going on inside and make better plans, because all the water tanks will be underneath the floor here, and I'm trying to get a substantial amount of water here, freshwater tanks, since I'm not sure about the reverse osmosis installation just yet. But as it is freakishly cold here, I need to keep the heater on, and therefore the video has to be in time lapse. So I got the floor out. Most part, like, I don't wanna take it all out, so I can walk a little bit easier for a little while. So I don't really need to take it all out right now, but it's enough for me to clean it up. And then I really need the temperature to. I need the temperature to go higher, so I can pour some more cement. Right here, how it looks. It looks dry, and the cement is pretty broken down, so the ice freezing, melting, corrosion of the cement, so it says kind of like crumbled down. So first of all, vacuuming now is difficult because it's all frozen. I have to hammer it down, heat it up a little bit, and then vacuum everything. Some of the wood here is pretty rotten, like this big beam here. I think I'm gonna, because the fiberglass hull is strong enough to hold the whole boat, so I'm just gonna pour cement all over it, and then there can be seen that some blocks. Correct. So I have to this down, and then either put a water seal, make it all smooth. Water seal glue, gummy, whatever rubbery thingy, epoxy thingy, pour epoxy. I still have to talk with the professional to see what's the best option, but I'm gonna like really take it from that end all the way down here. It's gonna be sealed really good, and then in the middle it gets deeper. Here it gets deeper and there's ice. So yeah, but now it's all exposed, easier to work on. I just need the temperature to drop, to get higher. Now it really looks like a working construction site, or renovation site really. Looks like a renovation site. But down here, all these cleaned, vacuumed, sealed. To be determined how. Some cement will be for in there. There, and that wall is the engine. New floors coming down from there, or maybe I keep the entrance still in here. Not 100% sure, but looking good. Well, maybe not for most viewers, but for me it looks very good. Me happy. This is what little bit of wood I was able to collect. I need to find the trash. Time to get the trash bin can here, so I can put this in a way, but still looks pretty messy, but getting there. There's replace these on the new deck, the red ones. So I'm gonna put it next to here. It's gonna go up into this level, and then the new deck is gonna come here, and the new rail here. So I'm gonna put here 30 times 30 centimeters tall, 1 foot tall roughly. Once this is removed, so there's gonna be a board coming all the way here, new shelf, and it's gonna lay against this and against the old shelf. This goes under here, so weight is gonna come down up here and then against this, and then the new beam is gonna be on the other side of the beam and goes up. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but you'll see soon enough. And then these beams are then just raising the deck while the old one is on, at least most parts, so it'll stay in shape. There's another fellow boarder came and he gave me excellent ideas about how to build this, and I think I'm gonna follow at least one of them, which is that I take the wheel and I put it here, and this is gonna be the cockpit. Cockpit's going to be right here. So we're gonna have a nice backspace deck here, and it's going to make everything so much easier structurally. And then the back cabins are going to be not limited by the cockpit. Great, anyway, good ideas, and doesn't look like much right now, but it's going accordingly, and once the weather gets warmer I can start doing some work that is now not possible because of the cold. So yes, stay tuned. So if you guys wanna go get me stuff on Amazon, I can do a shopping list. Let me know in comments if you would be interested in something that if any of you feel like there would be you would like to help me and get this project forward. I can do a shopping list on Amazon, so whoever feel like jumping in, that's one way. And everyone talks about the Patreon, so maybe I should start a Patreon too, and you can help me through there as well. And remember, share and like and comment, subscribe, so we can get the channel up. And the videos are not most exciting just yet, or most entertaining, because I can't really do anything exciting right now. So it's just the same cleaning, but it's going forward, which I like, so I did not get stuck as I was scared at one point. Now I just need lots of big container outside so I can dump all the trash. And if you're in Finland, give me a call and I'm gonna show you the boat and even get some work done. Finland is a beautiful winter country, so lots of people coming over to Finland anyway, so I will if you want, we can get you up in a channel and make a video. It would be great to have one of the viewers to come over to see the project in first hand. Yeah, so happy new year, and let it be blessed for you, for me, and for this project, and a whole new excitement. And see you guys 2024. Maybe I post this 2024 anyway, but happy new year.